Ramesh Sharma. Now, in previous lecture we discussed real numbers, that is Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm. Now we will discuss LCM and HCM. So today we will discuss LCM and HCM using factorization method. So how we will find out LCM and HCM using factorization method. Here relation also. First number is A, second number is B, then one relation A multiply B is equals to HCF multiply by LCM. Or if we will find out first number, how we will find out first number? HCF multiply by LCM divided by B. If we will find out second number, then HCF multiply by LCM divided by A. If we will find out HCF, then A multiply by B divided by LCM. And if we will find out LCM, then A multiply B divided by LCM. So out of 4, if 3 is given, then we will find out the fourth quantity. Now we will discuss one example. Simple example. Find HCF and LCM of 24 and 18. Now how we will find out the HCF and LCM of 24 and 18 using factorization method? Firstly, we will find out the prime factors of 24 and 18. 24, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3 and 1. And 18 prime factors 2, 9, 3, 3, 3, 1. So 24 can be written as 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 1. And 18 can be written as 2 power 1 multiplied by 3 power 1. Now firstly we will find out here LCM. So LCM of 24 and 18. In LCM we will take the number whose power is maximum but not compulsory that present in all. LCM में क्या लेना है, वो नंबर लेना है जिसकी पावर ग्रेटर है बट कंपल्सरी नहीं कि सभी में प्रेजेंट है. A 2 power 3, A 2 power 1, so we will take 2 power 3. 3 power 1, 3 power 2, we will take 3 power 2. 2 power 3, 8 3 power 2, 9, 9 8 is 72. LCM will become 72. Now HCF. HCF of 24 and 18. So what is the HCF of 24 and 18? In HCF we will take the number which is present in all and having minimum power. HCF में क्या कौन सा नंबर लेना है जिसकी पावर मिनिमम होनी चाहिए और सभी में प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए. 2 पावर 1 है, 2 पावर 3 है, तो मिनिमम क्या हुआ 2 पावर 1. 3 पावर 2, 3 पावर 1, 3 पावर 1, 2 3 जा 6. So LCM will come, HCF will come. Now we will do verification. So how we will do verify? In verification, firstly we will find out LCM multiplied by HCF. So what is the LCM? 72 multiply HCF is 6 will come. So 72 432 will come. Next A multiplied by B. What is A? 24. What is B? 18. That will also will come 432. So LCM multiply HCF. So LCM multiplied by HCF is equals to A multiplied by B. That is value. So understand, that is the method how we will find out LCM and HCF using factorization method. Okay, understand. Now next we will discuss some important questions. Now next we will find the LCM and HCF of x cube y square and x y power 3. So same. Firstly we will find out LCM. So LCM x cube y square and x y cube. So what in LCM will take maximum power, x power 3 x. So what will take x power 3 multiply y power 2 y power 3 y power 2. So x power 3 and y power 2 is the LCM. We will find out HCF. HCF में क्या लेना आपको? Whose power is minimum but present in what? X power 3 and x power 1. So what will come? X power 1. Y power 2 y power 3 what will come? Y power 2. So HCF what will come? X y square will come. So that is the LCM and HCF. Understand? Now next suppose questions में आपको given है if LCM is this, given us about if LCM of two number is if LCM of two number is 324 and first number is 18 and second number is if LCM of two number is now if LCM of two number is 9696 and first number is 96 then second number is 404 then what is the HCF? So here which formula we will use? Here we will use HCF is equals to A multiplied B divided by LCM. What is A? 96 404 divided by 96 96. Now HCF equals A upon B LCM 96 then cancel 101 101 then 4. So what is the HCF? So if LCM given two number given then how we will find out HCF directly using formula HCF equals to A multiplied B divided by LCM. Now next important question we will discuss. Then how we will check that its end digit will come 0 or not. किसी भी number का end digit 0 होगा. To check end digit is 0 or not. So how we will check if any number is given to you then how we will check its end digit will come 0 or not. For that if the prime factor of given number are in the form of 2 power m multiplied by 5 power n then its end digit will come 0, otherwise not. Now we will discuss one example. For example, check whether 25 whole power n can end with digit 0 over no. So how we will check? Firstly we will do prime factorization. So firstly we will find out 25 prime factorization 5 5 5 1. So 25 can be written as 5 power 2. Then 25 whole power n is 5 power 2 whole power n, which can be written as 5 power 1. So here the factor of 25 whole power n is not in the form of 2 power m multiplied by 5 power n. So its end digit not will come 0. So its end digit not will come 0. Next, if in question is given to you list given, suppose जो कि given है first bell is ranking at 7 am, second bell is ranking at 8 am, third bell is ranking at 10 am. Then after at its time they will rank again. So in that type of question, what we will find out always HCF. First bell 7 AM पे रैंक हो रही है, second 8 AM पे रैंक हो रही है, third 9 AM पे रैंक हो रही है. Then after means वो तीनों बेल वापस कब रैंक होगी? इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस में क्या फाइंड आउट करते हैं? ऑलवेज LCM फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Okay, so that is the base on how we will find out LCM, HCF and how we will check that end digit will come 0 or not. Next, how we will check that now next how we will check that given number is composite number or not. So for composite number which are having more than 2 factor is known as composite number. Question check whether given number and given number are composite number or not. How we check that given number is a composite number or not? So how we will check? Firstly, first number. Now 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. So we will take 13 common. 7 into 11 into 1 plus 1. 13 multiply. 77 plus 1. 13 multiply by 78. Now we will do factor. 78 prime factor we will find out. So 78 के factors करो. 2, 39, 3, 13, 31. So written as 2 multiply 3 multiply 13. So having more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. So if any number is given to you, then how we will check that given number is a composite number or not? Firstly, you will simplify, and if the number which are having more than 2 factors, then we call that is a composite number. Otherwise, no. Understand? So composite number को check करने के लिए क्या प्रोसीजर फॉलो करोगे? उसके prime factors करो. After prime factors, if you will observe that the given number are having more than 2 factors, that is a composite number. Understand? So today we discuss real number part 2 or exercise second. So after watching this video, you will like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.